How to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. In this video, we will show you how to convert an improper fraction, where the numerator is greater than the denominator, into a mixed number. For this example, we will use the fraction 3/2. Step 1. First, we need to find the whole number. To do this, we divide the numerator by the denominator. We only need the whole number, so we ignore any numbers to the right of the decimal place. 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5, so our whole number is 1. Step 2. Using the whole number from step 1, multiply it by the denominator. We then take that result, and subtract it from the original numerator. 3 minus 2 times 1 equals 1. Step 3. To show 3/2 as an improper fraction, we now need to put together our whole number, our new numerator, and the original denominator. The answer is 1 1/2. Try this for yourself, and see if you can convert an improper fraction to a mixed number.